In this series on how to interact with your audiences while you're making outstandingly good presentations, I'm going to be talking about understanding what motivates your specific audiences, how to adjust your content to meet their needs, and what to do for yourself to best interact with your audience. And when I say that, this last point, I mean how to structure your presentations, how to create your notes, how to time your presentations, and how to keep control so that when your audience is interacting with you, you will know where you stand in your content, you will know how your audience's contributions add to your content, and as a result, you'll be able to deepen the meaning of the presentation that you're giving such that the audience will get as much out of it as possible. In terms of understanding what motivates your specific audience, I talked earlier about what audiences generally want. They generally want to feel that their time is being well spent, and they generally want to get something of value. But each audience will have a specific motivation. If, for example, you're in a marketing department and you're talking about an esoteric aspect of marketing on the internet, why do those people in that audience want to hear that specific topic? What do those individuals need to get out of what you're saying so that they can do a better job when they get back to their computers?